A transistor is one of the most important devices ever to be invented. So we're going to learn how they work in detail in this video. Transistors come in many shapes and sizes. There are two main types, the bipolar and the field effect. We're going to mostly focus on the bipolar version in this video. Transistors are small electronic components with two main functions. It can act as a switch to control circuits, and they can also amplify signals. Small, low-power transistors are enclosed in a resin case to help protect the internal parts, but higher power transistors will have a partly metal case, which is used to help remove the heat which is generated, as this will damage the components over time. We usually find these metal body transistors attached to a heatsink, which helps remove the unwanted heat. For example, inside this DC bench power supply, we have some MOSFET transistors which are attached to very large heatsinks. Without the heatsink, the components quickly reach 45 degrees Celsius, or 113 degrees Fahrenheit, with a current of just 1.2 amps. They will become much hotter as the current increases. But for electronic circuits with small currents, we can just use these resin body transistors, which do not require a heatsink. On the body of the transistor, we find some text. This will tell us the part number, which we can use to find the manufacturer's datasheet. Each transistor is rated to handle a certain voltage and current, so it's important to check these sheets. Now, with a transistor, we have 3 pins, labeled E, B, and C. This stands for the emitter, the base, and the collector. Typically, with these resin body type transistors with a flat edge, the left pin is the emitter, the middle is the base, and the right side is the collector. However, not all transistors use this configuration, so do check the manufacturer's datasheet. We know